Imagine you wake up, and the whole world has turned to solid gold. Every street, every building, every mountain. Paradise, right? It's not paradise. It's a death sentence. And the reason why is a lesson in physics that kills you in seconds. Picture it as you, standing in your golden backyard, everything shining. And in a heartbeat, you feel impossibly, crushingly heavy. Here's the secret. Gold is heavy. It is about 19 times denser than the rock our planet is made of. Turn the whole planet to gold, and its mass rockets up. More mass means more gravity. Around 7 times stronger than now. 7 times your weight. A person becomes half a ton. Your own body can't hold itself up. You collapse where you stand. Every building was designed for normal gravity. Now they carry 7 times the load. Across the world, they begin to fold. But it's worse than falling buildings. A planet's shape is a truce between gravity pulling in and rock pushing back out. Crank gravity up 7-fold, and gravity wins. The whole planet starts crushing itself inward, squeezing toward its own center. Squeeze a planet that hard, and it heats up violently. The gold begins to soften, then glow, then melt from the inside out. Mountains of solid gold slump into glowing rivers. The continents themselves begin to sink into a molten metal sea. And the air? Our atmosphere is held down by gravity. 7-fold gravity crushes it into a thin, dense, suffocating layer. From the ground, the sky presses down, the light turns molten, and everything you knew is sliding into liquid fire. The oceans are gone. Turned to gold, and now melting too. There's no water left, only a spreading sea of glowing metal. Within minutes, Earth is no longer a world. It's a shrinking, glowing ball of molten gold, collapsing under its own pull. But here's the strangest part. Before it dies, Earth becomes dazzling. Because gold is one of the most reflective things there is. For a brief moment, Earth shines like a second sun, a brilliant golden mirror flashing sunlight back across the solar system. From Mars, our dying world would outshine every star. A tiny, perfect golden beacon, burning as it collapses. But a mirror can't save itself. That gorgeous shine is just sunlight bouncing off a planet busy crushing itself to death. And forget getting rich. Gold is only valuable because it's rare. Make everything gold, and gold becomes worthless dirt. Value comes from scarcity. A world of pure gold isn't infinite wealth. It's the end of wealth, and the end of everything else. So the gold you always dreamed of would be the very thing that kills you, and everyone you love, in the same instant. This is why Earth isn't made of gold in the first place. Dense metals sank to the core when our planet was young and molten. Almost all of Earth's gold sank out of reach long ago. The little we mine was mostly delivered later, by asteroids. Every gold ring, every coin, was forged in dying stars and colliding neutron stars, then flung across space to land here. So gold isn't just precious because it's shiny. It's precious because it's rare, ancient, and came from the violence of the stars. A world of gold sounds like a dream, but it would crush us, cook us, and leave a dead golden marble spinning in the dark.
The things we call priceless are priceless precisely because there isn't much of them, including the ordinary rock beneath your feet.
So would you still wish for a world of gold? Or is plain, living Earth worth more than all of it? Tell me below. And follow Rewriting Reality, where we make the impossible make sense, one strange question at a time.